Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel SP Fun Puzzles. Today we are going to solve Magic Snake Cube 24 pieces. So these are the notations: one left side, one right side. So three pieces are there, one right, one left, and both of them are right. So here these are the photos. Just for the understanding purpose I have uploaded. So here I will explain how to solve this cube. So first of all, see these pictures. So one by one, by this method, step by step, we can solve this magic cube. So at the end we will get the ball. Not only ball, we can make the different shapes also. First we will learn how to make a ball. So let us see the notations once again. So here three pieces are there. First one left side, one right side. Second one, three pieces are there, both of them right side. So let us solve this cube. It is QIYI Snake Cube. This available in Meesho for 150 rupees, around 150. And if you want to buy Cubello brand, it will be 250 rupees or around 300 rupees in Amazon or Flipkart online shopping. So here we can see that first of all we have to make a straight. Okay, 24 pieces are there in this snake cube. So when we make a straight line, so here we will get in this manner rainbow colors are there, all the different colors are there. So first what we have to do, as I said, 1 2 1 2 1 2 we have to follow. 1 means three pieces, one left side, one right side. 2 means three pieces, both of them right side. Here I will start with blue left, and green middle, and red color right side. Now that red will become middle, red will become right side, orange will be middle, and another piece right side. So in this manner we have to solve. So let us solve like this only: 1 2 1 2 1 2. So you stop the video and see that what is 1, what is 2. So three pieces are there. One is left side, another one is right side, and middle one is straight, that is 1, and the middle one and up and down right side, that is a 2. In this manner we can make a ball. Not only ball, we can make a rocket also. So let us see how to make a rocket. First of all, once again I will make it straight. So making straight is easy, and making the different shapes also easy. So we have to buy one standard cube, then only we can do all these things. If you buy local quality cube, it may break easily. So let us make this snake cube straight first of all. So after making straight, so here total 24 are there, so I will take half. So 12 right side, 12 left side I will take. So make sure that 12 should be right side, 12 should be left side. Okay, then what we have to do, here we got a big V, so you can make it a small V. So as you are getting V top, in the same manner we should get V left side and right side also. So when we do left side V and right side V, so again we will get the two straight lines. Again we have to make double V, left side double, right side double. See here carefully, by seeing that you have to change it. Okay, so you have to make it double V, and right side you should make it double V, and left side also you can make it double V. At the end we will get a rocket. Okay, so here we are getting the rocket. So let us solve like this. Not only rocket, we can make it into the rectangle, square, swan, boat, dog, different shapes also we can make. Okay, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.